Hello everyone, this is Melanie from MELANIE'S Creative Studio, and today we're going to take another look at an Fgnormal kit, and this is a special shaped drill diamond painting. And here is what this one will look like. It was super difficult to pick one out of the entire selection they had of the mandalas in this special shape drill diamond paintings, but I narrowed it down to this one. It just had a beautiful color combination, and so I mean, look at it, look at it. So yeah, let's just talk about this one for a minute. You guys have noticed I've been doing quite a few special shape drill diamond paintings lately because they're a super fast project. It can take you anywhere from like maybe 6 hours to maybe 12 hours to do a piece. So they're very manageable, especially if you are really busy, but you really need that downtime, that relaxation time. And some people are just working so much right now, but you've got to have your time away. So I feel like these kind of projects fit that bill, but you also get your sense of accomplishment. Because for me, with my health and everything, not to get into too many details, I just have so little energy that these are all I can do sometimes. So I feel like I'm starting to really love these types of projects. So let's talk about this kit and what comes in it, and that will be all for today. This one actually has 18 beautiful drills, and we're going to open those up in a minute. It is not a very large size, a 30 by 30 centimeter, which is equivalent to this in inches. And I'm going to hold it so the lights aren't really playing crazy games with our clear protective cover. Now, when you see a clear protective cover, that usually means a poured glue. I also want to point out that this is a partial canvas, which means that none of this is sticky. You'll notice how the plastic comes up real easily. It only has adhesive where the drills stick. Now, one thing that can cause a problem, if the adhesive isn't super sticky where the drills go, then, you know, you have to make sure you're sealing it with something. And I haven't quite come up with a solution for sealing a partial drill, special shaped drill kind of piece yet. So I'm going to come up with something for that in the future. But for now, I have had good luck with my drills staying on these kind of pieces. So, you know, knock on wood. Fake wood. All right, so let's talk about what else you get. You have your tools kit. This is all you really need to put together the piece here, but let's talk about the drills, because you know, it's like the paint in a paint by number kit. These are the yummy deliciousness that I always love to look at. So let's open those up. So in this kit, some of the drills are going to be in Ziploc bags. They're all going to be labeled with the number that you're going to need, but let's just take a look at all the little beauties and the gemstones. Oh my goodness. I know you probably can't see them with the lights. I'll go through them a little bit. But, I mean, this is why they call them special shapes, because they're fabulous. Look at the size of those. Huge green marquee, emerald looking. And then you're also going to have these in the sealed packages that are usually like your smaller ones, that are also going to be numbered. Beautiful. Okay, so you know, everything is included for your kit or in your kit. These are just going to be some of the larger sizes, but all of the drills will be here. So you guys, I would love to know your feedback on this beautiful mandala, and so drop a comment below. Be sure to like this video. Go check out Fgnormal. They have lots of really cool kits. I've brought you 4 lately from Fgnormal, so be sure to check out those videos as well. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of the new stuff I'll have up for you in the future. And thank you as always for watching. I will see you back soon.